What's up, guys? It's Wiqed with American Eagle Harley-Davidson, bringing you the new bike of the week. I've got this beautiful 2023 Road Glide Special, custom painted by us here at American Eagle. This is a kick-ass Hi-Fi blue with custom badges. Thanks to Pops in the back, he gave us some of his. This bike's loaded. It's got the 114 M8 chrome package, has the traction control RDRS, dual infotainment GTS, ABS, security. It also has a stage 1 on it, so it's got your tuner, and it's got Reinhardt exhaust on it. Bike sounds really great, looks really great. If you want to come and test ride this bike or any of our bikes, come and see Wiqed at American Eagle Harley-Davidson. Boom!